Hi guys, so I'm doing an unboxing video today. This is my brand new sewing machine. It looks like that. Well, you can't see it much on the box, but it's the FS100WT, and it's supposed to do free motion stitching, embroidery, and what was the other one? It contains loads of stitches anyway. So it mostly does everything. I will need it to. So we're going to unbox that, and yeah, let's get on with it. Nice big box there, and I will show you guys what it looks like. And here it is, guys. Oh, it's so lovely. Now I'm not going to put it on today. This is just unboxing it. I'll share that in another video when I'm comfortable and I've been using it. But let me see if I can get you to see this. I'll bring the light a bit closer if I can. Sorry about that noise. And there we go. Now, these are all the stitches that it does down there. And then it does the embroidery of them letters there. So it's got some gorgeous stitching on it, and I'm not sure what them two are for yet, but it's got a little computerised part where you put your stitches in. That's your speed, slow, faster, fastest. That's to drop your needle down, to stop it, to reverse, to start it and reverse. It's got a spool up there, a spool thing, and it's got an automatic winder. My machine had one of them. The tension, what else? It's just lovely. It's got a thing on here that's supposed to thread your needle as well. And it's come with, let me move that back a little bit. It's come with the main slate, which is there. It's also come with these parts. Now that's a key. That's the free motion foot, and there's another spool holder and a top or a bottom of something to do with that probably. There's two sizes. And it also comes with the foot pedal here. This is a foot pedal. My other one is grey, but this has got a different connection towards my other one, which would be easier for plug-in. My older one has got like a, like a kettle plug with the 3 prongs, and it's really stiff and hard to pull in and out of the machine. And I often bang my hand doing it, but that will just plug in, so simple. And the big instruction booklet as well. So all the instructions and warranty are in there. And then if we slide this open, inside is another pack. It's a little bag. And then we can put the table on, which comes with it as well. So it comes with everything. This has got a multitude of things in. So we'll see what's in there. Whoa. That's it. So we've got the button foot. We've got one of these. I'm not sure what that is yet. Some sort of tool. We've got 3 bobbins, some needles, another foot. Oh, there's four types of feet there. Oh, a double needle. Oh, brilliant. Some more needles even. It's 3 packets of needles. So we have got all that. And there's another type of foot there. I don't know. Never seen one of them in my life. Right, anyway. We've got 4 different feet. Just showing you, just in case you recognise what they are for. Because I only know of 2. Right, so that all goes into that little pouch. I'm going to put that in and I'm going to show you it with the table on. Here's a guide to what's in the actual, which comes with the actual machine. So you get all these pieces here. And then you get these feet as well. And an eyelet punch. Okay, so we've set it up now, and that's what it looks like. I think it's really nice actually. I'm very much happy with that. I'm going to bring the light this time. It's a very dark day today, and I'm hoping you can see it better if I put the light up a lot. So the actual machine is white, and these 2 areas here, they are showing as they are. They're like a very, very light power wash denim colour, if you know what I mean. Really nice looking, because I always thought that was going to be baby blue, but I'm so happy it's this colour instead. So that's important, and I thought I would show that in the video. But there is, how many stitches on there? There's 99 different stitches, and then you've got 55 different letters on there, and they're supposed to come out bold. I don't think they're too big neither, but I think you can adjust the size of them. And yeah, you've got a big table on there as well. The light, of course, is underneath when it's turned on, but this is nice and robust as well. And you've got the side winder, the on and off switch at the side, the computerized screen, and the speed. And basically you can sew without the pedal because you've got it all here. Really, you've got your speed, you've got your reverse, you've got your start and such, so it can all be generated from there. And as I said, underneath here, I don't think I can get this down anymore, there's this part here that it comes down, I think, and threads that needle when you give it the cotton. So that's what that looks like. And then we've got the spool part, the bobbin part, which looks like that, which is slightly different to my older machine because you've got this bit that comes out. So that's how to do it. So you pull it in and then you bring the cotton out and it goes over there. So yeah, there's lots of room on there. Lots and lots of room to work with as well. Nice big space. It's a beautiful machine, and I will be using that very shortly. For now, because there's stuff I need to learn on this machine. So for now, I will be using my other machine. But I really do love that. So yeah, I got this for my main Christmas present, and I got it at a good price as well. So that was great, and I'm loving it. So thank you guys for watching. And when it's up and when I'm more confident and I've got it on and I know how to use it, I shall be sharing a video of how it works as well. So if you're new and thinking about buying a sewing machine and you want to see that video, please subscribe, keep me on hold, and I will do that. But I'm in the middle of a project at the moment, so I need to get that done before doing anything for myself at the moment. There we go. So it's all set up and on. I'm just not going to do any sewing on it. The light is bright. Let me show you with the light off. It is bright enough, but overall it's a nice, really nice machine, and I'm very happy with it. Now this here, the bobbin, the spool, you can put it away. You get, if you want to put it away, you get a cap which goes on like that and then goes into that slot and slots in like that. So when you're storing it away, it doesn't break it. Right, so it's got a case that comes with it. The case doesn't lock on, it just sits on the top. It's a hard case. It's very sturdy. I wish it had been in a different colour, like that nice blue on the panel. But it just sits above, you see. It just sits above all the way around. It's basically just to protect it from dust and that. And then the way you use this, if I can turn it, is at the back here. You've got the case handle bit here, and the machine. This is the machine handle. So what you do is this is hard for me. You put your hand in there and keep your hand on there, and you can move it around. So it's not bad to do that actually. I've just tried it and I picked it up like that, and you can pick it up. It would have been nice with a snap case, but that's alright. Okay then, bye guys, bye.